So now if I want department wise maximum salary, what is the query? Can you just tell me? Select department number, comma what?
Max
Of
salary
cell from which table?
from EMP.
Group by what?
Group by.
Department number. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So this will give what? Department wise maximum salary.
Maximum salary.
Now 09, 12, 20, 22. Fine. Now I told you partition wise. Do you remember that? How to write partition by?
Yeah.
Select.
Select.
Suppose I want the average cell. Then what is the keyword I have to use?
Over partition by under bracket. Partition by
department number.
Department number.
Okay. And if I want to all the columns, I can use a dot star and I can use what? From EMP.
From EMPA.
So this is called as what? Partition by. Where is the partition by? This is made up partition 10, 10, 10. This is one partition. And this is the average salary 20, 20, 20. This is one partition. This is the average salary 30, 30, 30. This is an average salary. Am I clear till this much?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, anyone? See, partition by is what? It is partitioning the record. Group by is also partitioning. But here only one record is coming, right? Department wise maximum salary. So for this department, what is the maximum salary? For this department, what is the maximum salary? For this department, what is the maximum salary? But here what is happening? If I write here maximum salary, what will happen?
Maximum salary.
Maximum salary for department 10. All these three records are coming. These are the maximum salary. For department 20, all the department 20, what is the maximum salary? For department 30, all the department 30, what is the maximum salary? Right, Dimple? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So now, yeah. So now Monica and all, Rakesh and all, Dimple and all, Nikhil and all. This is partition by. Now the problem with partition by is what you know. See, Praveen, your first day class is there, no? Just try to understand, no? Whatever you have missed, I'll tell you. See, A dot star means all the records from EMP A table. Now this EMP table name is changed to A, and I'm writing select A dot star means all the records from A table. Okay, fine. Now, the next thing is, guys, partition by, there is a problem. What is the problem? If I write select max of cell, okay, over, or let me just write sum of cell so that it will become more clear. Sum of cell, okay, over. If I write partition, partition by department number, then I write from. Then I want to see the records also. So I'll write A dot star from EMPA. So what will happen is this will give the total salary for every department. For department 10, this is the total salary. Department 10, this is the total salary. This is fine. Are you clear with this query? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the, I am changing this query. What I am writing in this query is, see, this is the query. What I am doing is partition by, here I am writing order by. Order by, suppose nothing but salary, okay? Order by salary. Now what will happen? If I use order by, it becomes very confusing. See here. Now if you see, for department 10, what are the salary coming? 1300, 3750 and 8750. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So what is this? It is not coming like that. We have done the partition. And then this is the total salary. For every record, it is being shown. It is not coming like that. It is called cumulative value. Do you understand the word cumulative? Cumulative value. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Cumulative value means what? Suppose you see the table, select star from EMP. The cumulative value means what? So for department, let me just short it. So for the department number, so that order by department number. So for department 10, what are the salaries, guys? Is 1300. Then it is what? 5000. Then it is 2450. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So first value is 1300. And if I add 1300 and 2450, how much value will be there? Suppose 1300 plus 2450 is how much?
3650.
3750.
Yeah, around 3750, right?
Yes.
So see the output here. If I have done order by, first it is 1300, okay? Then it is
Yes.
2450. That means for department 10, what are the salaries? Let me just see. What are the salaries for department 10? Yes. Department 10, first value is 1300. And then if we add this and this, it will become what? 3750. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And then what will happen? The third record, if you see, what is the third record? See a third record. Yeah, this is quite interesting and challenging. Very less people knows these things, so you should know. So the thing is that if you see the order by salary, what is it? Second record is fine. Third record is what? 5,000. Yes or no, guys? If so third record is 5,000, which is the cumulative value. Are you able to understand? Yes. See here. Third record is what? The cumulative value. That is nothing but your 5,000. So now for department 20, similarly, what will be the value? See here. What is the first value for department 20? 800. Yes or no? Then the value is what? 1100. Now see here. Here, just see here. For department 20, what is the first value? 800. Then it is what? 1100. And then these two will be added. Then what will be the result? 1900 or not?
1900.
Yes, sir.
See here. 800. Okay, then 1100. And then it should be what? 2975. And then it is what? 3000 and 3000. So if you see here, so this is what is the cumulative results which are coming in the end. 2850. Now see here. Let me just show you. Let me just write here so that it will be more clear. Let me just write down the query here. Select. Suppose I take. Select average of cell. Let me just take here. Let me just write down because I'm not able to match from there. Partition. What happened? Select average cell over partition by department number, order by salary, comma A dot star from EMP. Where is the mistake?
Semicolon at the end.
No, that is not a mistake. I select average cell over PARTITION, partition by department number, order by cell, okay, cell, comma A dot star. I don't see any mistake here, right? There's no mistake, right? A, okay. I have not given the name A, right? Alias name A to the EMP table.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the query. Yeah, so this is the query, guys. Okay, so now let me just write here. Every time it's getting confusion. Yeah, so now it is very clear. So now see here, the salary for department number. Again, I did not shorted it. Select star from EMP, order by department number. Fine. This is the query. And now this is the query I want to execute. Yes. So for department 10, see if you see the first value is coming is 1300. And then the next value is 2450. That means 2450. And the last value is 5,000. So this is the, this is the, what happened?
Nothing, sir, nothing.
Any doubts, guys? I don't know what is the noise, guys. So that is what, guys, it gives a cumulative value. Okay, so let me just start a new topic, guys, before I go to this one. Okay, this is simple. This you have understood or not? Tell me yes or no.
But it is not coming cumulative values.
It's not.
The same
Yes,
value is
sir.
coming.
Same values.
No. Why are you looking? This is the salary column, right?
Yes.
Are you seeing this column or not, guys? Which column are you seeing? This is
Salary.
Okay.
salary column, right? What is this column? What is this column? Tell me. Is this column? No, this is the output, right? Yes or no, guys? What is the
Yes.
first value? 1300. What is the average value? 1300 plus 2450 divided by 2, 1875. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
And what is this value? All these three values, if you add and divide by 3, is it
Yes, sir.
2916.667 or not? Let me just check in the calculator. If I
Seems
have a
like
calculator. Guys, what are you looking salary column? You're getting me
yes.
confused. You're getting me confused. Guys, see now, guys, what is the first value? 1300, right? This is fine. Okay. Now 1300 plus which value? What is the second value? 2450
2450.
plus
Yes, sir. Average
2450
correct, sir.
divided by 2. What is the value, guys?
25.
No. Again, this Excel will have some problem. Wait. Equal to wait. 1300
Plus
2450. What is the output? 3750. Okay. Now
Yeah.
let us just take it. 3750 divided by 2. What is the value? 1875. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes or no, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Now add these three values. 5000 plus
2450
2450 plus 1300. That means 3750 plus
Plus
what we have to add?
5000.
3750 plus which
107.
value? Plus 5000. Yes or no?
Yes.
8750. Now
Divide by 12.
8750. If I divide by 3, what is the value?
2916.6.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes. Sir.
So now, did you understood? See, if
Yes.
I put a order by here, guys, then we are not getting that it is divided into department, and then we are getting the average salary for all the departments. No, we are getting the cumulative value. Sometimes the question is asked, can you give the average cumulative value for the departments? Then you will use here the partition by department number and order by salary. Am I clear till this much, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now your values got corrected or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you use the order by, it gives the cumulative value. This is a cumulative value for department 10. First value is 1300, and first value for department number 10 was what? 1300. Next value was 2450. We added this 2 divided by 2, that is 1875. Now cumulative value final. What will happen? We'll add all these 3, divide by 3. This is the cumulative value. Similarly, for department 20, what will happen, guys? What is the first value? 800.
800.
Because we have sorted order by what? Salary ascending. First value will come. And then what is the second value? First two values will come like that only. 800, then 950. Right?
1100. 1900 total. Divide by 2.
Yeah. 800 plus what is the second value? 1100. 1100 plus 800 and divided by 2, 950. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
Similarly, we'll get all rest of the value. And finally, similarly for the department number 30, these things will happen. Any doubts here, guys?
No, sir.
Is it clear? Is it done? Is it done or not, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yeah. Yes.
So when we use order by, all this confusion comes. So you should be very clear concept. If we are using an order by function with an aggregated function and the departments and the records has been partitioned, it is not the same result. It is the cumulative values. See, this query and this query is different, guys. If I write here, select average cell over, if I write here, partition by, and partition by department number, and I write here a dot star from EMP-A. Now, what is the output of this query? This is very simple, right? Department 10, 1 partition, department 20, 1 partition, department 30, 1 partition. For department 10, which are the average salary? These are the average salary. Department 20, what is the average salary? This is the average salary. Department 30, what is the average salary? This is the average salary. No records have been removed. But that is not the case if I use order by. If I use order by, we'll get the cumulative value. First value, then first and second value will be added, divided by 2, that is second value. All the 3 values will be added and divided by 3, that will give the third value. And similarly, am I clear, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Why your voice is very low, guys? Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll start today a very fresh topic. Now we'll start a fresh and a new and a excellent topic called as subquery. Concentrate, guys, here, concentrate. This is again a very, very challenging topic. Let us just study. Subquery, also called as what, guys? Nested query, also called as what, guys? Non-correlated query, okay? Or non-correlated subquery. Am I clear, guys? These are the names. Someone will ask you nested query, what is non-correlated query, what is non-correlated, a non-correlated subquery, or what is a subquery, everything is same. Am I clear with the naming convention? Yes or no, guys? Yeah, Dimple, are you understanding? Yes or no? Meenakshi, Monica, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Dimple,
Yes.
are you recording? Please record. No, everyone is recording. Please record. Meenakshi, Monica, and everyone just record.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please record. Praveen, everyone record. Okay. So, am I clear with this definition? Subquery is also called as nested query, also called as non-related query, also called as what? Non-correlated query or non-correlated subquery. Fine now, guys. Now we will understand what is a subquery. Subquery tells, guys, let me just open up Paint so that you will understand in a better way. Subquery tells, guys, concentrate here, concentrate here. There are two queries here. First is the inner query and next is the outer query. Subquery tells there are two kinds of query. One is the inner query and one is the outer query. Am I clear till this much? Tell me yes or no, guys.
Yes, sir.
First, the inner query will execute. Which will execute first, guys? Everyone tell me which will execute first?
Inner
Inner
query.
query.
Inner query, sir.
Inner query will give output to outer query. Let me just make a different color. Inner query will give output to which query? Outer query. Now, second, outer query will execute. What is point number 2? Which query will execute? Second query.
Outer. Yes, second.
And finally, the outer query will give the result. So the execution is first, which query will execute? Inner query.
Inner
It will
query,
give output to which query?
outer query.
And finally, which query will execute? Outer query. Am I clear with the execution part? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So now here will be the choice of operator. It can be any operator. It can be less than, can be greater than, equal to, in. There are a lot of operators used here. Can be any, all. There are a lot of operators. It depends on the less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, only less than, only greater than, only equal to, in, any, all, less than any, less than all, greater than all. This all operators depends on the number of inputs given by the inner query. This all operators depends on what, guys? Number of inputs given by which query? Inner query.
Inner query.
Am I clear till this much? Tell me yes or no. Tell me, guys, yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me any doubts? Tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Any doubts? Any doubts? Tell me. First, the inner query will execute. So here the execution happens in serial order. Execution happens in which order, guys? Sequential order, not serial order. We'll write it. Execution happens in which order? Sequential order. Execution happens in which order, guys? Sequential order. Sequential order. Sequential order means what, guys? Sequence means what? Sequential order. Sequence means what? First, which query will get executed? Inner query.
Inner.
It will give output to which query?
Outer
Outer
query.
query. And finally, which query will get executed? Outer query. So
Outer.
sequential execution will happen. Okay, that is why it is called as non-correlated. There is no relation. First inner query completely got executed. It given output to outer query, and
Outer
finally
query.
outer query got executed. Are you clear with this diagram, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So tell me, everyone, first which query will
Yes,
get
sir.
executed? Yeah, first which
Inner
query will get
one.
Inner.
first which query will get executed?
Inner
Inner.
query.
And which query will get executed? Outer query.
Outer query.
Are you clear till this much?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Now we will go to the syntax. Syntax, let us just see the syntax. Select, then column 1, column 2, column 3, whatever column you want to select. If I want to select everything, what I will write here? Star. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the syntax? From.
From
Do you remember
EMP.
that? Then what is the syntax? Where. Yes or no?
Where?
Now we will write here where, whatever column we will write here, whatever column we will write here. Okay, whatever column we will write here. Suppose column, whatever column. Suppose some columns. Suppose column 1. Okay, suppose I'm writing column 5. Whatever column I will write here. Okay, the same column I will have to write in the inner query. The same column I will have to write in the inner query. Suppose I have taken a operator equal to. I can choose any operator. So suppose then the next thing is I will have to use a bracket. I will have to use a bracket. Okay. So now, guys, first thing is what you are understanding is 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. One second, guys. Yeah. First thing is what? Yeah, the choice of operator. This is the operator I've taken. Okay, this is fine. Whatever column I will take here, the same column I have to take in this select clause. The same column I will have to take in this select clause. That means I have taken column 5. I'll take here in this column 5. And then from the table name, suppose this is the EMP, and then close the bracket. So what is the syntax, guys? First is what? Inner query is written in what? Is written in small bracket. Am I clear till this much? Inner query is written in small bracket. Yes or no, guys? Yes. This is the
Yes.
rule 1. What is the rule 1 to write a subquery? What is the rule? First rule is inner query is written in inner bracket. Next rule is what? Column selected in the inner query must be column selected in the select statement. Let us write like this. Column selected in the select statement of inner query must be present where? Must be present in the where clause of the outer query. Am I clear till this much, guys? Tell me yes or no. Yes. Am I clear till this much? Tell me yes or no, guys. Guys, tell me yes or no, Monica and
Yes,
Dimple
sir.
and Meenakshi and Nikhil and all. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So after all those things, we'll
Yes.
write a query. Okay. The first query what we'll write is the most popular query. How to get the, everywhere it is asked, second maximum salary. How to get the second, I don't know how many times this has been asked. How to get the second maximum salary. So my question to you is how to get the first maximum query, first maximum salary. What is the query for that? To get the first maximum salary?
Select max of salary
Select
from
max
class.
salary from EMP.
From EMP, select. What is the max query to find the first maximum salary?
Select max of salary
Max
Max
of
of
salary
sal from which table?
from
class.
EMP.
From EMP. This will
Where
give what?
salary
This will give what? This will give what,
Maximum
guys?
salary.
Maximum salary. What is the maximum salary? Select star from EMP. What is the maximum salary, guys? Here, tell me what is the maximum salary here? 5,000. So if I write here, select max of sal from EMP, it will give what? Maximum salary, which is what? 5,000. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
And what is the second maximum salary if you see here? Let me just short it. You will understand. Select a star from EMP, order by sal DSC. Okay. So what is the first maximum salary? 5,000. What is the second maximum salary?
3,000.
3,000. Okay. This is what is the expectation. We want to know what is the second maximum salary in this table. Okay. So let us go to our rule. What is the rule? First, we will write the, suppose the outer query I have written, select max of sal from EMP. Then what I will write? Filter condition. Where?
Here. Here.
Now I have taken sal. Okay. Where sal. Now I'll take a bracket less than. Now, how to write the inner query? Tell me. First, we have to give a bracket. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
Then what I have to write? Select
Salary.
Select
Max of salary.
max of
Max
salary.
of sal. From which table?
From
E-
employee.
EMP.
EMP. Do I need to close the bracket?
Yes.
So what I am doing is, see, if you see in this query, first the maximum salary is 5,000 or not, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
This is the maximum salary. So if I see this query again, so what will be the output? See, again, if I write in a better way, I can write like this, right? 5,000. So what is this query telling? What is first the inner query got executed? It has given output to which query? Outer query.
Outer query.
Now is the turn for which query to execute? Outer query or not, guys? This is the query you will execute. What is this query telling? Give the maximum of salary from this employee table where salary is less than 5,000. Salary is maximum, but it is less than first maximum. So is it the second maximum or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
what will be the output of this query?
3,000.
3,000.
Yeah, so it will be what? 3,000.
3,000.
Okay. Fine, guys. So now this is fine. Now you have understood. So first, which query got executed? Inner query.
Inner
Inner
query
query
and then
give an
outer.
output to which query? Outer query. And finally, which query got executed? Outer query. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So let us just write down. To get the second maximum salary, what is the query? Select max of
salary
sal from
from
EMP. Where what? Where what?
Salary less than
bracket.
inside bracket.
Select
Max
max of sal from which table?
Yeah.
from EMP.
What should be the output, guys? What should be the output? Can you just tell me the output?
3,000.
1,000.
Department number 10.
It
Max,
will be what will be the output of this query, guys?
3,000.
3,000, sir.
max
Yes or
salary
no?
3,000.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So like this, we got the second maximum salary. If I want to get the second minimum salary, what will be the query? First, to get the first minimum salary, what is the query?
Select minimum salary
Like
from
minimum
EMP.
salary from EMP.
From EMP.
And
Where
salary
Where
greater than
salary less than.
Less than or greater than?
Greater than.
Greater than. See,
Greater.
greater than, because the minimum, no, minimum, from the minimum it should be bigger, right? Value, the value should be bigger. Yes.
Yes.
So give a bracket here. Now what I will write?
select minimum salary from EMP.
Minimum of sal from EMP. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So this is the second minimum salary. See, 800 is the first minimum, second minimum is 950. So now, like this, we can write in Oracle up to 32 levels. Okay, in SQL Server to 56 level. Two means if we want the third maximum salary, so how can we write? What will be the query? Select max of sal
Salary.
from EMP. Where what? Sal
Salary.
less than, then bracket. What I have to write? Select
Max salary.
Max salary
max salary. Then
from EMP.
from EMP, then where sal again will give a level. Where salary less than what? Select
Select max salary.
max of sal
Salary.
from EMP and close the bracket how many times? 2 times. Yes or no? Once we have
Yes.
opened here, so we have closed both the times. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
What is the third maximum salary? 2975.
2974.
Are we getting third maximum salary? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So all of you write a query to get the fourth minimum salary. Fourth minimum salary. So I want all of you to write the query in the chat.
Sir, I have written the query. Please check it.
Okay, select mean cell from salary, select mean cell from EMP.
You asked a mean salary, correct?
Yeah, here it is written fourth minimum salary query.
Fourth
Write down.
minimum.
Rest, please write down.
Sir, is it right?
Yeah, that's correct. I'm waiting for others to write. Yeah, this is the this is simple query, guys. First, which query will get executed? Inner query. It will give the
Yes.
minimum salary, the first minimum salary. Then what will happen? The second query will give what? Second minimum salary, right?
Yes.
Third query will give third minimum salary. Fourth query will give fourth minimum salary. That's all is the query, right?
Yes. Sir.
Simple query. First, what will you write? Select mean of cell from which table? EMP. Correct. From EMP, where? Tell me the query, guys. Where salary greater than
Salary
what?
Greater than
Select
minimum salary.
salary from EMP, where salary
is greater than
greater than what? Select
mean salary from employee.
mean of cell from EMP, where cell
Salary is greater than
greater than what?
Greater
How many
than
times this cycle will be there?
N
1,
number
2,
of
3, 4. Huh? Yeah, greater than what?
Three
Select
times.
Select cell.
SELE. Select mean of cell
And
from which table? EMP. How many times this bracket will close? 1, 2, 3.
3.
This is what is the fourth minimum salary. See, this is the fourth minimum salary. Yes or no, guys?
Yes. Sir.
Now, if I want to get the details of employee earning first maximum salary, means the name and all, who is earning the first maximum salary, can you just think? Details of employee earning first maximum salary. Write down the query. Who is the employee? The employee earning first maximum salary is King, I think. Yeah, he is the. So using this subquery, how can I get it? Details of employee earning the first maximum salary. Think. How can I get the where? No, this is not the correct query, Nikhil. You are breaking the rules. What I say is a rule. What I told in the where clause, you're forgetting everything. Yeah, what are the people? Yeah. Dimple, are you writing?
Yes, I'm writing.
Monica,
Yes, sir.
Rakesh,
Yes, sir.
Meenakshi. Yes. Then Praveen and Nikhil. Nikhil is trying. Praveen, are you writing? Meenakshi is joined by
Yes, sir, I
mobile.
am writing.
Yeah, Monica, Dimple, Meenakshi, write down first.
Sir.
This is the way you will learn actually. If you write now, then only you will learn.
Yes, sir. From writing only we can learn, sir. Not
Yeah. Write down, write down. Oh, good. Good. Who has done this? Praveen. Good.
Praveen.
Good, Praveen. What about rest? Please write down. So if I want everything, Praveen, what I will write there? Details here only ename will come, right? I wanted everything. So what I will write there? In the outer
Select
query?
star.
Yes,
Select
correct.
star from EMP.
Data
Correct.
star from EMP.
Rest write down this query. One more query I want from you people. Then I will write the query.
Sir, SQL takes how many classes to complete?
I'll talk on those things later. It will first you write down this query. No. Why are you writing twice? This query is correct, Dimple. But why you want everything and then you want ename also? This will give everything, right?
Yeah. You want only employee name.
No, I want all the things. But if you write like this, no, then you will get ename and then again the details. So 2 times ename will come, right?
Okay. Got it. I have to write select a dot star from EMP.
Is this one correct, sir? Oh, sorry. AI semicolon I put.
No.
Two times.
Why are you writing comma and all? What are you doing, guys?
The semicolon I put by mistake.
Why you want this max of cell? First tell me this. Why you want this max of cell?
Okay, sir.
You
Let
just
me-
want the details of employee. What is the query to find the details of employee?
A dot star.
No, a dot. If I want the details of employee, what is the query? Select a star from table, right?
Yes, from EMP.
Then why are you writing? Some people are using a dot star, some are using max. What is happening? What about rest are doing? What about Meenakshi says by mobile? Rakesh, what about you?
Entrance.
This is simple query, guys. Now see here, guys. If I want details of employee, what is the query? Tell me details of employee.
Select a star from employee.
That's all is the query, right? If I want maximum salary, what is the query?
Select max salary.
Select max of sal
Sal.
from EMP. So that is what is the query, right? I want the details of employee earning maximum salary. Now I have to equate it. How can I equate? The column what should be present in the inner query should be present in where? In the where clause. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So what will be here? Where
Max salary.
salary?
The salary is
Then it should be equal, right?
Salary.
It should be equal, right?
Equal to max of.
And then this query should be in bracket. Yes or no, guys? Yes. That is what is the query, right? See, understand like this. If I want to get the details of employee earning maximum salary, first I have to get the maximum salary. Maximum salary, which query will give? This query, yes or no, guys? Yes. Now this query will give output to outer query. And I wanted the details of employee. What is the query for details of employee? Select star from EMP. And now I will equate it based on this column should be present where? In the here in the select clause. So I have written where salary equals to here. This is the query. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Any doubts? Tell me, guys, any doubts?
Yes. Sir.
So if I want the details of employee earning second maximum salary, what will be the query? This is fine. This is details of employee earning first maximum salary. Select a star from EMP where salary equals to what? Select what? Select max of sal from EMP. This is fine. Details of employee earning first maximum salary, king will come. This is fine. Now I want the details of employee earning second maximum salary. That means this one, Ford and Scott. How can I get it? Yeah. What I can do here? Tell me. Select start from
Start from EMP
EMP
where salary is
Less
is
than
equal to what?
salary.
Equal to what? Select max
Max
of
Max of
salary
cell
sal
from EMP
where
from EMP. Now
where
what I will do here?
where
Where salary is
Where
greater
what?
than
Salary
where salary greater than
less than, no. I want the second maximum.
second maximum. Okay.
Then
Salary greater
what I
select
will write here? Select
select
max of
max of cell from EMP.
max of sal from EMP. Then I'll
EMP.
close these two
Double
brackets.
close. Yes, sir.
Bracket. Yes.
I got the employee earning second maximum salary details. Yes, sir. If I want the employees whose salary is minimum, so how can I get employee earning the minimum salary? What is the query?
Select a star from
Select start
Select
from
start
EMP
EMP.
where salary equal to
Salary is equal to
Equal
select
to what? Equal to what?
select mean of
like
cell
min salary
from EMP.
from EMP.
Employee earning the second minimum salary. What is the query? Select a star from EMP. Employee
Yes,
earning the
sir.
second minimum salary. What is the query?
select a star where salary
Where salary is equal to select
select mean
minimum
salary
Min of
salary
cell
from EMP.
from
from
EMP
EMP.
Then
where greater than
Bracket.
Where
what?
where salary is greater than
salary
Salary greater than
is
what?
greater than
select mean
Bracket.
salary
Select star
from
select
Mean of
min salary
cell from EMP.
from EMP and two brackets.
employee earning details of employee earning third maximum salary. What will be the query?
Select a star from EMP where
EMP where salary equals to what?
select minimum salary
Max sal
maximum salary. Okay.
from EMP
From
where
EMP
where sal less than what?
is greater than
Select
salary
max of
max salary
from employee
sal from EMP where
salary
sal less than what?
Less than select cell max
Yeah.
of cell from
Yeah, max of sal
EMP.
max of sal from EMP where salary where again salary less than what, guys?
Less than select max of cell from EMP.
Max of sal from EMP
EMP
all the three brackets.
three brackets.
So what is the error? Unexpected error. What is that error? Select a star from EMP where salary equal to select max of cell from EMP where salary less than select max cell from EMP where salary less than select max of cell from EMP where salary.
10%.
Huh? Yeah, how many brackets are there?
So bracket.
How many brackets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 bracket, right?
Yes,
You have
sir.
to close it with 4 brackets
Four.
are there, right?
It should be 4.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Is it easy or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It's easy, only just keep on putting the subquery.
Subqueries.
So this is the table. Select star from EMP.
EMP.
So I want the average employee whose salary equals to average of salary of department number 10. So how can I write? The query is nothing. Think on the query. Employee whose salary is equal to average salary of department number equals to 10. I want the details of employee, okay, whose salary
Select start from EMP where average salary
No. First tell me what will be your logic. Employee whose salary is equals to the average salary of department 10. What will be your logic? Leave out the query. What do you understand by details of employee? What is the query to find the details of employee? What is the query to find the details of employee?
Select a star.
Let's start from EMP.
EMP. Fine. Whose salary means what? Where?
Where
Salary.
Where
Something
salary.
will happen. Something will happen. Leave that. Is equal to average salary of department 10. How can I get the average salary of department 10? Tell me.
Select average salary from employee.
Is equal to
Select average salary from
From
employee.
EMP.
employee
Order
where
Where department number equals to
department
what?
number is equal to 10.
10.
Now, how can I equate both this query?
Where salary is
Next.
equal to. Where salary.
Equal to, because this is group function will
Equal
always return how many values? One value, right?
Yeah.
So if it is
Yes.
one value, we can easily use equal to, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, this query should be in bracket or not, guys? Tell me.
Yes.
or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So this is your query, right? So the employee whose salary equals to the average of salary of employee of department 10. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
If I wanted the employee whose salary equals to maximum of salary of department 10, what function would be changed here?
Max.
Max salary.
Max.
That's all is the query. Suppose I write here select star from EMP where salary equals to select
Select
maximum of
Max of
salary
from
from EMP.
EMP where what?
where
Department
Where
number
department
is
number equal to 10.
10. Close this bracket. Fine. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So list the details of employee whose job is salesman. No, let me just give a sub query so that you understand. Okay, let me just give you a query. Details of employee whose name is Smith and working in department 10 or the working in department 10 and whose salary equals to minimum salary of department 20. Right on the query. Yeah, query is details of employee, okay, whose salary is equal to minimum of salary of department number equals to 20. Right on. Done, guys. Details of employee. Yeah, that's all. That's all. This is a simple query. Dimple has written absolutely correct. This is simple query, right? Details of employee. Select a star from EMP. Now, where? What Rakesh said, correct query. Where salary equals to what? Minimum salary for department number 20. What I will write? Select. Yeah, what I will write? Select. Dimple.
Mean of
Select.
cell.
At mean salary.
Mean cell from
Employee.
From
From
EMP.
EMP.
Where what?
Where department number
Department number
equal to
equals to 20.
That's all. So guys, again, I will continue tomorrow that now we are returning only one column, right? Max, mean and all is always returning one column. I'll tell you when there are multiple columns returned. Okay, then what will happen? Or multiple values are returned. Here there's only one value, max, mean, average and all are group function. I told you, right? Do you remember that? What is group function? Group function will always return how many values?
One value.
Group function will return only
One
return
value.
only one value. So now we have learned only one value. Tomorrow we will learn what? If suppose multiple values are coming, then what will happen? Multiple columns are coming, then what will happen? Okay. So that is what is the multi-level subquery we will learn. We have learned subquery from where clause. This is a subquery we have learned from where clause.
Where clause.
Subquery from where clause, which is the most popular, which is the mostly used. There are subquery which are made from where? From clause. From clause. It will be made from the from clause. So that will become a inline view. That is called as what, guys? Inline view. When I'll teach you view, the types of view like inline view, materialized view, what is a view? So that is a separate topic. So I am as of now I'm telling, if subquery is made from clause, then it becomes an inline view. It is called as inline view. Then we will learn subquery made from select clause, select subquery. That is called as what? Select subquery. So all those things we are going to learn one by one. So now, guys, all those things, guys, please attend my class. It's very difficult to learn these things. It will take years for you. You'll go in a book and you will study from a website and you will get confused. Attend my classes neatly. You don't need to attend anywhere, any book site, and everywhere I have gone. It has been a long number of years I have learned these things. So you just attend my class. That's more than enough. Fine. So the guys, so tomorrow is Saturday, Sunday. So that is a leave. So now first we will discuss what we learned today, guys. Tell me, what is a subquery? What is a subquery? What is the answer for this? What is a subquery?
Query within query is called
Yeah,
subquery.
Query within a query is called as what? Subquery.
Subquery.
Now execution part. You have to explain the execution part. What is the execution part?
The
Inner query executed first.
Inner query
of the inner query will
first inner query will execute.
Then
Then
it
what will
will
happen?
give output to the outer query.
It will give output to what, guys? It will give
Outer
output
query.
to
Outer query.
the
Outer
outer
query.
query.
Then finally
outer
outer
query will
will
execute.
And finally, which query will execute, guys?
outer.
Outer query.
Outer query will execute. Fine.
Execute.
Then what is the next thing? Choice of operator will depend on what? Will depend on the number of output given by which query?
Inner.
Given by the inner query. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Means whatever the inner query will give, based on that we'll put the less than, greater than, equal to, all those things. So that is what is choice of operator will depend on the number of output given by the inner query. Sequential execution happens in where? Happens in subquery. That means first the inner query will execute, then which query will get executed?
Outer.
Outer query.
Subquery is also called as what, guys? Nested query. Subquery is also called as nested query. Means query within a query. That is why it is called as nested query. Fine. These are the things we came to know. And when you are explaining a subquery, just explain with an example. Support second maximum salary. Take this example and then explain second maximum salary. What do you have to tell? This is the query. Select max cell.
From employee.
Max cell from EMP where what? Salary less than what?
Less
Select
salary from employee.
max of cell from EMP. What do you have to tell? First, which query will get executed? Inner query.
Inner query.
Inner query will get executed. It will give maximum value. Then it will go to the outer query. This outer query will execute. This will be maximum, but less than the first maximum. So it will display what? Second
maximum salary.
That is how we explain a subquery. Query within a query is called a subquery. First inner query executes. It gives output to outer query. Finally, outer query will execute. Choice of operator depends on the number of inputs given by the number of outputs given by the inner query. Sequential execution happened in subquery. Sequential means one by one. First inner query executes completely, then only outer query will execute. Subquery is also called as nested query. And then you can give an example to find the second maximum salary. Am I clear, guys? Sub-query, tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So weekend is holiday, guys. We'll meet on Monday, 8 p.m. Sharp 8 miss, guys. It is not that you will join at 8:05 or 8:02. No, I join at 7:55. So I want you to, expectation is very high here. Here the expectation is you have to join 2-3 minutes before. So
Okay,
that is
sure.
what